Hi, I'm Ben McCall, the Weekend Welder. Today, we're going to make a simple garden trellis. This is our next project, a fan-shaped garden trellis. Our trellis is made out of 1/4-inch rounds, and we started with 4 10-foot pieces. The first task I did was to cut the 4 main uprights to 7 foot in length. This left us 4 3-foot pieces left over. I then took and put the pieces together in a square pattern and welded them together at the bottom. I next marked up 12 inches and put another weld at the point where we want to start the fan. With our 2 welds completed on the bottom, I moved up to the top and made a mark 12 inches down on each of our uprights. I then took one of our 36-inch pieces and bent it by hand into a gentle arc. Next, I welded it to one of the uprights and then stretched it out and welded it to the far upright. On this particular piece, we used the full 36-inch length. I then measured from point to point, divided it in 3, located our middle pieces, and welded them in place. Next, we came back to the bottom, moving up 24 inches from our second weld. We put a straight cross piece on just for strength. I then hand bent another one of our pieces and, following pretty much the same procedure as before, welded it on just like our upper piece. The overhanging ends of your 1/4-inch rounds can be either cut off with a hacksaw or burned off with a welder. To make sure our trellis stays stable in the ground, I took our third piece of 1/4 inch and bent it into a U shape to provide an extra brace on the bottom. I bent this piece by putting it in a vise and using a piece of 1/2-inch pipe to make the bend. With this in place, we'll be able to put our trellis into the ground, and it'll stay firm both side to side and front to back, regardless of what we decide to plant against it. If you enjoy our videos, subscribe to our channel. 8FD Designs works out of 32,000 square feet of building on 3.5 acres in Decatur, Texas. If you want to learn more about our events, our store, our classroom, or want to come by for a shop tour, come and see us in Decatur, Texas.